Let's start by learning the basics of the application. Here you can select the level of learning and choose whether you want to learn only words or you want to learn words with example sentences in which these words are appearing. We suggest you to start with this lesson. The following options are available to you. Content, here you will find a list of examples of this lesson. Flashcards, use this option to learn using flashcards. Start answering questions and strengthening your knowledge. Try it yourself and find the option that suits you the best. Don't worry that you won't know the correct answers. We will help you find them when you tap on the hint button.